This is how the Lord dealt with the Samaritan woman. That's why the Samaritan woman increased in her morality and her theology. How it unfolds. At first, the Samaritan woman called to the Lord, "Sir." That's the first theology. And it's progressing. Eventually, she said, "Are you greater than Jacob?" Then it progresses more. "Are you a prophet?" The Lord in the gospel created a spiritual tension in her heart. The Lord did not make it easy for her. The Lord made her confess. Get your husband. Actually, I don't have. Then the Lord said, "Truly you don't have. Because the one that you are with is actually abusing you. The one that you are with is not planning to marry you, but are having this vicious sexual intimacy with you." That's why the Lord first freed her from the problem or the demons of the flesh. But how she was able to prepare to conquer the demon of the flesh, what time she is getting the water, is the 6th hour. That is the warmest time of the day. She is taking away the comfort. She is picking a water in the warmest or the hottest time of the day. I live in Las Vegas. I live in Florida. I know what it means when they say it's warm. I always tell people Las Vegas is winter in hell. Florida is Hell's Kitchen. That's warm it is. So the woman who had been trying to reach Christ first practiced ascetic life, carrying the water at the warmest time of the day. That's why, because of the suffering she endured, her heart was made ready. So don't avoid suffering. Without suffering, without cross, there's no resurrection. The problem with us Orthodox Christians, we would like to follow Christ, but we don't like the cross. It doesn't work that way.